In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images on Slack. First, open Slack either in your browser or the desktop app and make sure you're in the right workspace. Once Slack loads, head to the conversation where you want to share your image. That could be a public channel, a private channel you're a member of, or a direct message. Pick the place where the image will be most useful for your team so it doesn't get lost elsewhere. In the message area at the bottom, look for the plus icon next to the composer. Click that to attach a file. If you recently shared or viewed the image in Slack, you can select it from recent files for a quick pick. Otherwise, choose Upload from your computer. Your system's file picker will open, so navigate to your image, select it, and confirm. Slack supports common formats like PNG, JPG, and GIF. If your file is very large, consider compressing it first so it uploads faster and is easier for teammates to download later. You'll see Slack process the uploaded file. Watch for the progress indicator and wait until it says it's complete. While the file is uploading, click into the message bar and start typing your caption or any helpful context. This extra detail helps people understand what they're looking at and why it matters. You can mention teammates or reference a task to make it actionable. Before sending, you can choose when it should post. Click the Schedule for Later option next to the Send button. You'll see convenient choices like tomorrow at 9 o'clock a.m. and next Monday at 9 o'clock a.m., which are handy for timing messages to working hours. If those don't fit, pick custom time to set a specific date and time that matches your team's schedule. When you're happy with the timing, click Schedule Message to confirm. If you'd rather post immediately instead of scheduling, select Send Now and your image and caption will appear in the conversation right away. Keep in mind that scheduled times use your Slack time zone settings, so double check those if you work across regions. Once your image is posted, click the photo to open it in Slack's viewer. From here, you can rotate the image for proper orientation and use zoom out or zoom in to adjust how closely you're inspecting the details. If you need a local copy, click Download to save it to your computer. To make your content more accessible and searchable, add a description. This is like alt text. It helps screen readers and gives your team context when the image can't be viewed. If discussion starts to build, click Show Thread to move the conversation into a focused sidebar. Threads help keep the main channel tidy while centralizing feedback, questions, and approvals around that image. If you prefer a larger workspace or need to compare with other windows, use Open in New Window to pop the image out. When you're done reviewing, close the viewer by clicking the X to return to the channel. If you need more options on the posted message, click the three dots for more actions. From there, you can choose Delete Message if the image was shared in error or is no longer relevant. Slack will ask you to confirm. Click Delete to finalize. Remember, deleting removes the image and caption for everyone who could access that message, and your ability to delete may depend on your workspace permissions and retention policies. That's it. You've uploaded an image to Slack, added helpful context, explored scheduling, reviewed and adjusted the image, enhanced accessibility with a description, managed conversation in a thread, and learned how to remove the post if needed. Follow these steps and you'll keep your channels clear, your visuals sharp, and your team in the loop.